Hi, this is a very quick demo on how you can load delta table and files into OneLake. I'm going to use my laptop just to show that it does work outside of Fabric 2. So go to my laptop, click Run. I added this Python notebook, which I will share in the comment, I guess. Just select yes. And it should start arriving. Come here, click refresh. So we have two table. Let's check in the SQL endpoint. Click refresh. Yep, we're getting more data. So there we go. Okay, seems to be working. That's good. Let's check now the files. Yep, we have files, and check the time. It's 4:08. Yes, I hope you like it, and thanks for listening, and see you in the next video. Bye.